REST API with Express, MongoDB and Mongoose. So first we are already built the REST API server. So we are interact node application to MongoDB server and using Mongoose and sending back reply to the client. So first of all we have to create models folder in dishes.js, which is we are storing the schema there. Then we have to run in our command terminal npm install mongoose and mongoose currency for using the currency schema value. So mongoose app.js, we have to go to use mongoose to connect with server. So you can see here in app.js this is our node module application. Here we are creating using the const mongoose and dishes schema from models.dishes. So here you can see models dishes. So this is the dishes schema. Here we are using the currency mongoose and require mongoose currency. So you can see in the comment schema rating, comment, author, these properties we are storing here, and we are creating a schema, dish schema, which is the new schema here, which is in dish name, description, image, category, label and price. So in price type is currency, which is taken from here, mongoose type currency. So now we come back to our app.js. Here we have to first set up the server so that we can connect our node module apps to the MongoDB server. So first we have set up URL, which is MongoDB localhost 2701/confusion connect mongoose.connect URL. Then we have to connect the server by connect.then db, passing the db console.log connected correctly to the server will be printed to the user. If there is some error, it will show the error to the user, and rest remain the same, where app express. And here we are using the router REST API dishes. So app.use, if we put /dishes in the URL, it will redirect to the dish router. And rest remain the same, and we have to go to users. So here users, you can see we are importing the schema user here and use as a user variable, and router.use body_.json. So allow all users to register. So / respond with a browser resource, router.post sign up. So adding router post sign up, remaining method will not allow to sign up. Only post is authorized to / sign up, because in the post the new user come and put sign up and store the data in the database. And for sign up, new user / user / sign up is used. User to sign up, provide username and password as a JSON string inside body of the incoming post request. And find one method is used to search if username given by the client is new user or not. So find one means it will search this username in the database, whether it is, if the username is already exist, then user, that user which is the username and password, if already exist, equal to, so user is not null means already exist, then we have to give the error to the user that that user is already exist. If not exist, then allow client to create, then return user.create username password. And when new user sign up, return promise, means when the user sign up, then we have to send back to the user these details in response from the client side, from the server side to the client. So that's all about users.js. When we use URL / user / sign up, and in dish router there are some changes. We are adding Mongoose. So for adding MongoDB server, dishes, models from dishes, and here the route endpoint, dish route endpoint get explicitly declare all endpoints get, put, post, and delete handle independently. So here we are using dishes dot find, which will find all the dishes present in the DB, and the promise it will return array of dishes, which is dishes here. And if there is error, then it will give error to the user. And post, we have to create using the create method to create a new dish, which is rec.body in the request form of the body of the from the client side, and it will give the promise. If dish posted correctly, then it will give this to the user, and if not, there is an error, put not allowed. So delete remove method is used to remove all the dishes in the form of response gave to the user. And dish router dish id dot comments, so get same find by id rec dot params dot dish id. So if we put the dish id, it will find out that particular dish. If that dish is not there, then it will give the error to the user. First, if not dish there, then it will store that dish with the form of comment, storing the comment to the dish dot comments, else it will give error that dish is not found. And post find by id rec dot param dot dish id, then if dish is not null, means dish is already there, then dish dot comment dot push rec dot body. First we find the dish. If dish is there, then we have to put, so we are finding the dish by dish id, and dish dot comment dot push rec dot body, and then save updated dish, and then dish will be returned back to the user. Else if will give error dish is not found. First we find the dish, then save that dish. If dish is not null, rec dot body push is used to store that particular dish to the database and give the response to the user that that dish is stored. And put is not supported. Delete find by id. First of all, we have to find that particular dish, and dish is not null means dish is already there. So dish is, we find the dish, then for loop var dish dot comment dot length -1 from the backward to reverse deleted all the dish comment by dish dot comments dot id dish dot comment id remove method. So dish dot save, then it will save the updated dish, means there is no dish remaining there. And else if there is no dish found, it will give 404. And same for dish router id dot comments dot comment id dish dot find by id, then dish is not null, and dish dot comment dot id rec dot params dot comment id is not null, means there is no dish. This dish is already there and comment is there, then it will give that dish dot comment dot rec dot params dot comment id all the get comments to the user. Else if dish is not null, means there is no dish, it will give error. And else if there is no comment, this means dish is available but comment is not available, then it will also give error. If else then post is not supported. Put dishes dot find by id rec dot params dot dish id If dish is not null and dish.comment is also not null, same thing. If the rec.body.rating, if rec.body.comment, save, else delete, same thing. So here you can understand put, we are putting the new dish by id. First of all we have to find the dish. If dish is not null means dish is already there and comment id is already there. Then if the rec.body is rating dish.comment.id rating equal to rec.body.rating, if rec.body.comment dish.comment.id comment.id means these two things will check updating the comment rating and comment, then save the updated dish and give back to the user in the response. Else if dish is not null means dish is already there, so dish is not found, delete also. First of all check if dish is not null means dish is already there, then we have to remove method to remove by comment id of all that dish.